Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Asterisk. Today I'm going to introduce a software that allows you to grow and manage unlimited accounts. And right here on my screen is the interface of the tool. At the moment, I'm nurturing over 1,000 accounts, and only 8 of them got suspended. Now I'll show you exactly how I manage accounts in bulk to achieve this low death rate. In this section, we have account interaction, which helps your accounts behave like real users on the main interface. You can fetch account information, change language settings, and log out from devices. All nurturing actions can also be repeated automatically. To start, click Add Scenario. As I mentioned earlier, this feature helps your accounts grow stronger by performing real user-like activities, and all the surrounding options act as support tools. The first part is general interaction, which includes reading notifications, scrolling the news feed, liking random posts, sharing random posts to the timeline, commenting on random posts, watching stories, watching reels. Auto-adding friends. Next is friend-based interaction. Interact with, react to posts, send friend requests to friends of friends, comment on posts, send random messages, and even send birthday wishes. Then we have UID-based interaction, which works similarly, but here you need to input UIDs to interact with specific targets. You can also interact by account groups, and even by keywords to target the right audience. This is the interface for group UID interaction, which works the same way. Here is the page interaction interface. As you can see, it includes liking pages, following pages, reacting to posts, inviting friends to like or follow pages, liking comments, commenting on posts. After finishing the setup, you'll see the total number of actions. Just enter the exact number shown and match it with the total actions to run. For the delay time between actions, you should set 30 to 40 seconds, so Facebook's algorithm considers the activity more human-like. After everything is configured, select the accounts and hit Run. To summarize, all these nurturing functions are quite similar, but the difference is simply what you want the account to interact with. Friends, a UID list, a group, or a page. Asterisk. Goodbye and see you the next video.